This math was coming Ogroni Bank Limited 2013 post senior officer, and this is very important math for many different job exam for preliminary and written exam. This math type of box type, the math says of 30 applicant for a job, 14 had at least 4 years experience, 18 had degree, then 3 had less than 4 years experience and didn't have degree. How many of the applicant had at least 4 year experience and a degree? In this math, firstly I drawn a box. This box 4 year experience, this 4 year experience, and not 4 year experience and not 4 year experience or none. This degree, this didn't degree. This side total. Now we will put value according to this math. 14 have at least 4 years experience. 4 years experience. Okay, first 13 applicant for a job. Total 13 applicant. 13 applicant. 30. Next, 14 had at least 4 year experience. This 14 years experience, 14, this side 30 minus 14, this 30 minus 14, then 16, not 4 year experience or none. Next, 18 had a degree. This 18 had a degree. Only degree 18 had. This total 13 minus 18 means 12. 12 non-degree. Okay. Next, 3 less than 4 years degree. This not. And didn't not have degree. Then non-degree. This 4 year non and degree non. This side 3. 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 means 13. 12 minus 3 means 9. 18 minus 13 means 5. What do you want this math? How many applicant had at least 4 year? At least 4 year and a degree. At least 4 year and a degree. The answer will be 5. This answer. Thank you.